Tecno Phantom X2.
World's first 4 nanometers Dimensity 9005 G processor, 64 megapixels OIS RGB WG+P sensor, ultra-clear night camera, 6.8 Full HD plus AMOLED double curved 120Hz display, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, 64 MP main camera, 13 MP ultrawide camera, 2 MP depth camera. Video recording 4K 30 fps 1080p 60 fps available. Selfie camera 32 megapixels LED flash available. Video recording 1080p. Battery 5160 mAh 45W fast charging. Universal flash storage 3.1 higher speed data. Available on Amazon.